Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm back to you with another vlog. So for today's vlog, I'll be sharing with you what's inside my skincare fridge and all the products that I'm using, I'm loving. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay guys, let's start with a tour of my skincare fridge. So as you can see, maliit siya kesa dito. This one, I got this from Don Quixote. So this one, I got this from Amazon. I got this many years ago na rin guys, but I don't know if it's still available sa Amazon. When you open it guys, very small lang talaga yung kanyang compartment sa loob. So dito ko nilalagay lahat yung mga big bottles ko na para maitayo ko. Okay guys, I gathered all the products na galing dun sa skincare fridge ko. So, we're going to start sa SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. These little guys are limited edition bottles ng SK2. I collect them guys. So, whenever maglalabas ng limited edition bottle ang SK2, naaatat akong bumili. So, this is all my backups, my stocks. Hindi ko pa ito nagagamit. So, I'm using this one right now. Ito yung inuubos ko. Okay, next. From Clinique, it's a Moisture Surge Hydrating Lotion. I use this whenever my skin is dry. May mga time na dry yung skin natin. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. And this one, guys, is, lately ko lang itong nabili. Americ One. Bird Bath All Over Body Lotion siya. Meron tong cooling effect, guys. So, pag nilagay mo pa siya sa ref, sa skincare fridge mo, sobrang lamig niya. Ang sarap niya, lalo na pang summer. So, it's a limited edition also, guys. So, this one naman, guys, is from, from Chanel. It's a balanced anti-pollution face and eyes. I use this for cleansing after kung magtanggal ng makeup. Cleansing water siya. Very, very light lang yung consistency nitong water na to. So, very light lang siya. Hindi ako na-allergy, so okay siya. So, this little guy, what I love about this beauty fridge is the compartment. So cute guys, look at this. I can put all of my lip products here, eye drops in here, and then this is where I put all of my foundation, primers, and my SPF things like that. And you can store a lot of products talaga sa loob, unlike to that baby there. Okay guys, moving on. So, these are all the products na nakalagay dun sa second layer ng skin fridge ko. So, I'm using Chanel foundation from Livage collection. It's the Healthy Glow Foundation with SPF 25. And this one naman guys, I got this recently. It's from the Livage collection also. It's a Sheer Healthy Glow Highlighting Fluid. Sobrang ganda nito guys. You can use this to your body sa mga ganito. Highlighting kasi siya. So, I use this usually here sa ganito natin, sa cheekbones natin. Para pag naispatan tayo ng ilaw, medyo may highlighting effect. So, I highly recommend this for you guys. It's really nice. And this one is also from the Livage collection of Chanel. It's a water fresh tint. Hindi ko pa ito nagagamit, guys. Okay, guys. These little guys are from Americ One. It has a SPF also. You know, I really love the products na may mga SPF. So, this one is a UV Manager Uncut Makeup Base. And this one naman is black and black. It's a sunblock actually. I use this together. So, moving on. This one is from YSL. It's a CC cream, color corrector with SPF 35 naman to. Meron siyang pagka pinkish finish guys pag nilagay mo. Nilalagay ko rin naman to under my foundation. So this one is, I really love this one naman. It's from NARS guys. This is called Laguna Liquid Bronzer. Bronzer to guys. I use this usually pag summer. Pag yung mga ganap ko tipong pupunta ako ng barbecue lang na naka-bronzer ka pa. Why not guys? But I really use this pag summer lang siya guys. And this one naman guys are from Chanel from the Leblanc collection. I love this both. I use this. Minimix ko sila pareho. So, yun. This is a light creator brightening makeup base naman, guys. It's really nice. Okay, guys. These are all the products na nakalagay sa first layer ng Skin Fridge. These are all the masks that I'm using. I'm loving every other day. Minsan araw-araw, adik lang. So, this one is from DHC. No, it's from Labo Kose. And this one is from DHC. So, ito yung nilalagay ko sa under eye ko. I rotate them, guys. I use them, I rotate them. And this is my favorite mask na galing sa Kose din. Medicated Sekise naman siya. And these are all the samples that I got from different makeup brands like This is my rose quartz. It's also a rose quartz, that heart shape, very cute. This one is legit galing sa eye clinic. And this one is my favorite cold cream lip balm. It's from Avene. I always have that. And this is my everyday eye drops, guys. And this one is from DHC. It's a Retino A Essence. I use this for my fine line. And this one is Obagi. It's a vitamin serum. Medyo mauubos na siya. So, these are all the products na nandun, guys. So, let's move on to the next. Guys, ito lahat yung nandito sa loob. So, I got this organizer from Muji. I really love this because talagang nilagay ko siya dito, guys, para magkasya yung aking mga skincare. Diba, guys? Kasi tingnan mo, napakaliit ng space. So, let me start with my favorite SPF products. So, maglalagay lang ako ng salamin ko kasi ang labo talaga ng mata ko. So, this one is a Day Essence Moisture and Bright with SPF 50, of course. And this one is a Day Cream Deep Moisture and Bright with SPF 12. This one is from DHC, my favorite medicated eye cream, malapit ang maubos. And this one is also from DHC. Favorite ko to, Revitalizing Booster Serum. Guys, kaya siya nakaganyan kasi sinasaid ko mauubos na siya. So, this one is my favorite. Ang lamig niya. Sunshine Vitamin. It's a serum also. Guys, I love serum. And this one also from DHC. It's also a serum. So, ito din. Serum to. Gel type naman siya. So, this one naman is from Mary Quant. It's Milky Lotion. I use this pag summer. This one is from Mary Quant also. It's a tuning water. Magka-pair to. This is one of my holy grail favorite Advanced Night Repair. This is my favorite din, guys. I really highly recommend this. Kapag yung tipong yung skin mo ay ngarag na, pagod na, guys, feeling ko pag naglagay ako nito ng isang gabi, the next day parang feeling ko fresh na ako. Ganun siya. And this one is from Obagi. It's a Derma Power Stem Lift Serum. Maganda rin to, guys. Guys, these are all the products na nandun sa gitna. This is from Chanel. It's a Hydro Beauty Gel Cream. This is my everyday moisturizing lotion from Clinique. And this is from Clinique also. It's a Moisture Surge. I use this every time na dry ang skin ko. And this little guys are from Mary Quant. This is a face mist. This is my recently purchase. It's a limited edition. This one is my favorite Sea Breeze face and body sheet. I bring this every day na lalabas ako. And these are all the eye rollers that I use every night, guys. And this is my favorite placenta jelly. And this one is collagen. So, dito na tayo, guys. This is a body scrub from Mary Quant. It has a cooling effect. And this one naman is a face scrub ko naman, a 7-day scrub from Clinique. This one also is a body scrub from Mary Quant also. I love body scrub, guys. This one is from Clinique. It's from Mary Quant. It's a body icon brightening body lotion. And this one is from SK2. It's Illumination Day Surge UV. This one is from DHC. It's a fresh lotion with elastin, collagen, ceramide, placenta. And this little guy here is from SK2. It's a wrinkle specialist. So that is for my skincare fridge tour, guys. I hope you love it. I hope you like it. So guys, that would be my skincare fridge tour. I hope you like this video. And by the way nga pala, guys, I really highly recommend to have skincare fridge tour if you like me na mahilig sa mga skincare products, beauty products, because mas mapapakinabangan natin ng mas matagal yung mga skincare products na binibili natin. So guys, I hope you like this video and please give me a thumbs up and sana mag-subscribe kayo sa channel ko, guys, and thank you very much for those who na-subscribe na sa channel ko. Maraming salamat. See you on my next one, guys. I love you.